Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at one of my favorite stocks, NVIDIA. We've seen a ton of growth out of this stock and we're going to be answering this main question of should you buy this stock. This is going to be a stock review for one of my favorite companies out there. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about investing, trading in the markets, I just released a fantastic course on how to trade, my mindset, my strategy. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. And you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. It's going to be valid for this week only, so make sure you guys check it out. So guys, let's dive into it. Let's go. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what NVIDIA is one of the largest AI software and graphics card company in the entire world. And with that being said, this past year we've seen fantastic growth. In the past 1 year, this stock has gone up over 228% in 1 year. So beating the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and being rated one of the best technology stocks to invest in. And the reason why a lot of people absolutely go crazy over this stock is because the fundamentals are beautiful. We've seen a revenue increase over 100%. We've seen a net profit margin increase over 300%. So there's a lot of money getting pumped into NVIDIA and they're doing a great job with actually increasing their revenues and all their fundamentals. Now in the past 5 days, we actually did get a little bit of some sell-off. Is this NVIDIA just being a little overvalued? Or did something major happen? Well, it's kind of a combination of both. Now we were approaching a resistance line with NVIDIA's chart. This is just a tendency of the stock selling off at a certain price. But one of the most important things is there's been some news. Well, as of a couple days ago, there was some unfortunate news when it comes to NVIDIA stock. Well, what actually happened was the US government is pausing any advanced chips, AI software to China. Now this does include NVIDIA and a couple of other companies, but with that being said, this is not a good sign. The reason why is because China makes up anywhere from 20 to 25% of NVIDIA's revenue. So now, if they're not able to transport their goods there, how do you expect them to grow there? We could easily see their revenues fall 20 or 25%, which is not a good sign. So obviously, anytime you have this type of announcement, this is going to cause panic. This is going to cause investors to start selling their shares. And that's why we've seen about an 8% drop, as well as just the stock being a little overvalued. So that's kind of what's been going on with this company. Now let's answer that main question of should you buy NVIDIA? For me, NVIDIA carries so much potential. It's one of the best tech stocks, the best AI software stocks out there. And yeah, we're gonna see some volatility with that statement. We're gonna see this stock go down, up, down, up, down, up. But for me, I definitely think the best approach with NVIDIA is a long-term approach. The reason why I say that is because NVIDIA is invested into AI, which has been rated one of the best sectors to invest in for the next 10 years. A lot of analysts think AI is going to grow at about 37% per year. So if we can make some money off that, that's going to be beautiful. And another great thing about NVIDIA and why I actually love it at its current price is because right now NVIDIA is trading on a support line, which is pretty much just when NVIDIA gets a lot of buying pressure at a certain price. You guys will notice it gets a decent amount of buying pressure near and around $411 every single time it's hit that price. We've seen a tendency of getting buying pressure. So I definitely think right now does represent a great opportunity to buy one of the best tech AI software stocks out there right on a support line. And with that being said, a good strategy as well is to dollar cost average it. Investing consistently is going to be a fantastic way to invest into NVIDIA because you're going to reduce your volatility, reduce your risk, still have shares to make money. It's just a great pick. So NVIDIA for me is definitely an absolute buy, but expect some volatility with this type of news. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.